Welcome to Teach with Mr. Hawkins, Episode 7. Today's book is Not a Box by Antoinette Portis. This book is a lot like the TV show Whose Line Is It Anyway, except this book is appropriate for all audiences. In this story, the rabbit is playing pretend with a box. This book has an unusual text feature. The rabbit speaks in one color, and there's a second character in the story that speaks in a different color. So the rabbit someone will say, "What are you doing with that box?" or "Why are you sitting in that box?" That character is always in brown, and the rabbit responds in red. So that's an interesting feature to point out to younger students because there's a different tone to the two voices. When reading this book, I don't interrupt or do questions or anything like that, but the students do like to guess. And that's even true in a grade 5-6 class. I've read that to grade 5-6s. They've enjoyed it. Grade 1-2s love this book. Follow up to this book, one of the most obvious things to do is actually play the game Props, which is the name of the game and Whose Line Is It Anyway. You don't have to use a box. It could be any object, and it's amazing the creativity that comes out. It certainly fits into the drama subject area if that's something you're teaching. You can ask them, why are some pages red or some pages brown? And younger students will figure this out usually, and it's kind of a neat thing to point out. What do you think about the brown character? Who are they, and what are they like? It's all inferencing to answer that question. You get some interesting answers to it as well. A book like this really lends itself to a follow-up activity of the students making their own page. So what could the next page be in the book? What might Rabbit pretend the box is? If you have a bunch of children doing that, you can put their pages together and make a class book of Not a Box. And I find that those books, if you make class books, those tend to be popular reading material with the students. This author also did a similar book called Not a Stick. I've actually lost track of this author. Perhaps they've done other things since, but those first two books kind of were similar, and they were really good. I would highly recommend them. Only one other thing about this book is it's actually like a box in the paper it's made with, and this side up on the back, so it has unusual text features in that way as well. Thanks for watching Teach with Mr. Hawkins. Please subscribe.